Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix this coupon has a very high demand message in the router app. Now this message typically indicates that the specific coupon you are trying to redeem is currently very popular and has run out of its available uses or has reached its redemption limits at the moment. It's a temporary situation that arises from high user activity trying to claim the same reward. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct fix you can perform on your end to bypass this high demand. The availability of coupons is mined by the router app developers. However, I can give you a step-by-step guide based on the information available for general troubleshooting for such scenarios. The first thing you need to do is wait and try later. Yes, it's another way of saying come back later. So if that does not work, you can now ensure you meet the requirement. Double check to see if you've met all the requirements for redeeming the coupons. That is, it might include having a certain number of coins, reaching a specific user level, or other criteria mentioned in the coupon details. Also check internet connection. Although it's unlikely to be the primary cause of high demand, ensure you still have a stable and active internet connection. Then update the router app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the router app. Developers often release updates that might address bugs or improve functionality which could indirectly affect coupon redemption. You check Google Play Store or Apple App Store for the available updates. If it does not work, it's an Android phone. On an Android device, clear app cache. If it does not work, you can also restart the app, the router app. Then monitor router social media and community channels because sometimes they may announce updates on coupon availability or any related issues on their official social media pages like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or within the app's community forums if available. Keep an eye on those channels for potential announcements. And if all this fails, just simply contact router support. That's right. Because if there's an error with the router itself, or if this problem continues for an extended period of time, they can contact router's customer support. You should reach them by sending an email at support@router.io. Provide them with details about specific coupon and the issues you are facing. Don't forget that coupons have limited quantity. They have also time-sensitive offers. There's also what we call a server load, this high demand can put a strain on the app server responsible for processing redemption, leading to temporary unavailability. Also, they call staggered release. Apps might release a certain number of coupons at specific intervals. If you miss initial release, you might see the high demand message. So it's important for you to be patient and persistent. Keep checking the app at different times and hopefully you'll be able to redeem the coupon when demand subsides or when new slots become available. Thanks for watching.